Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. So today I have a quick tutorial on how I clean all of my thrift items using Howard Products Clean and Finish Wood Soap and the Howard Products Butcher Block Conditioner. I'm not being sponsored by them. These are just items that I like to use on my thrifted finds. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and let's get to it. Okay guys, so here I have this bowl that I purchased at a yard sale. I'm using my Clean and Finish by Howard Products. It's wood soap, and what this says, it says effectively cleans all wood surfaces using traditional blends of natural soaps. Clean and Finish is easily removes dirt, wax, buildup, furniture, antiques, cabinets, and more. It's safe on paint, surfaces, plastic, upholstery, and vinyls. So go ahead and shake it up well and then spray it on a soft cloth or directly on the surface. Just clean away and let it dry for 20 minutes. So let's get to it. Alright you guys, now that it is fully dry, I'm going to add my Howard Products Butcher Block Conditioner. And it's food grade, mineral oil, and natural waxes. It says go ahead and apply onto a cloth and work at the direction of the wood grain and let it soak in for 20 minutes and then wipe off excess. Alright you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick tutorial on how I clean my thrift items. They are not sponsoring me. This is just stuff that I love to use, and as you can see, I do use a lot of the Clean and Finish on my furniture. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you guys have any comments, leave the comments down below, and I will be seeing you guys on my next thrift haul. Shop with me, DIY, you know. Alright guys, have a good day. See ya. Bye.
What if I left